welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly, and today we are going to be painting a mural onto my playroom wall. I'm super excited. So I just found this image, and you could buy the wallpaper, but I decided to just paint it because I didn't love the colors that it was, and so I wanted to be able to make it my own. And honestly, it's not going to be too hard, I don't think. So if you are looking for a way to hack some wallpaper, this is definitely, I feel like, the way to go. First off, we definitely are not DIYers. We are first time everything. Whenever we do anything new, it doesn't work out quite as well as we think. So I'm a little bit nervous, but also really excited because honestly, this doesn't look that hard. So I just found an image and then I put it on our projector. So this is the image right here that we have, and it looks a little bit weird on the camera because it's a projector image, but it looks really clear in person. And I'm just gonna be tracing it. So I already went to Home Depot, I got some paint, and I'm decided to do more of like a green color palette instead of like the pinkish color that they have in the pictures. So yeah, I think first off, we're just going to test it out on a piece of paper, make sure all the colors like look well together. So we just finished just drawing everything out, making sure we like it. I bought 3 colors of paint and then just the white paint so that I can have different lighter variations in things. And I didn't buy like multiple things of paint. So I had to make sure that I like added the white paint in correctly. And then now we're just going to brush it on the wall. So wish us luck.
So I really liked this picture because the lines in the picture were definitely brush strokes. It wasn't meant to be just a straight line across, and it made it a lot easier as we were going through because everything was just brush stroke looking. And so it could be messy. I didn't have to worry about like, messing anything up because it was meant to look that way, and it just looks so much more organic. And so I really enjoyed that. I was also really happy about my choice to just buy 3 different colors of paint plus a white paint. And that way, when I added white, everything was the same tone to for the colors, and it made it a lot easier for everything to match. And I was able to get 6 colors while only buying 4. Decided to add in this double halo, which I was really excited about, and that way it just brought in the pinky like nude color into the top as well, and just I think really finished it off well.
Okay, so I think we are done painting, you guys. That didn't even take very long. Like, that was actually really easy.
Yeah, it was really fast.
I know. I think like, I don't know, that makes me want to do like my whole house with like different things like this. Okay, we're gonna turn off the projector and see how it looks. Yeah!
Oh!
I think it looks really good.
Yeah, because they're a brighter light.
Okay, so it's kind of dim out right now because we wanted to do it when it was darker so we could use the projector. But I think it turned out so good. I love it. Oh my gosh, okay. This was like such an easy project to do. Painting it, you definitely need less paint. I just got like quart size paints. You could totally get away with just sample size paints. If I were to do it again, I definitely would get less paint because now I have a lot of extra paint that I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with. And other than that, I feel like I bought like really cheap brushes just at Home Depot, and they kind of like fell apart, but I kind of liked that because I liked the like brushed look. But if you're not looking for a brushed look, I'd probably get more expensive brushes that don't fall apart really easy. But other than that, I just feel like it was super simple, really easy to recreate, and you guys could totally do this. I'm a terrible DIYer. So if you're good at DIY, then this is going to be like cinch for you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.